is a nice thing to do. I can't even say it with a straight face.
This is why we can't